Hey, welcome to Irish Outlaw Garage. Not much of a filming day here, so I thought, you know what? Curiosity's got the best of me. I need to try something. So let's see what we can do here. Let me start up the old Massey Ferguson. This old dog, man, you know, been through hell for 5.5 hours. And that's it. Make sure I hit all my buttons. Oh. Something just caught my eye that I thought, you know what, I need to try something for that. It's, you know, new trowels, brake, and chain. Oh, don't scratch the truck. Yeah. Go, tractor. Curiosity. Plain and simple, curiosity. Cleaned out old Bonnie over here. Just, like I said, today's the day I just ain't really doing nothing. My dad's birthday. So, just kind of farting around, honestly. Kind of just curious. Let me get back with you. What do we got going on, Jay? Well, we got this big ass dent where the windshield's supposed to be on Bonnie, and I'm really getting sick and tired of rain getting there. And you can cover it with a tarp, but then, you know, it's gonna pool right there, and that's gonna be the end of it. So I thought I'd get out the tractor here, put on my little clampy thing. I'm gonna see if I can't just pick that up and help me out a bit, because I don't have a fancy porta fire like all the other budget channels, you know. They got all that money. You know, they can afford a Harbor Freight. I can't afford. But anyway, let's see what happens, huh? Let's give her beans. Curiosity, man. I think this might friggin' work. I'm goddamn flabbergasted. No friggin' way. No way. You gotta be kidding me. What the hell did I just do? Oh, kicked on the mower. Oh, wow. Yeah. Unreal. And all I gotta do, see that's bent there. See, this is a box right here. It's supposed to be boxed, but it's not. And I'm probably never gonna get that box back out. But it's, if I wanted to, I could add metal and this would work. It'd just have a hell of a dent right there, you know, a little wind drag, but who cares? Oh yeah. Is that? Oh, okay. So I could break that apart, yank that back. If I get my air chisel out here, I'll split that sucker apart and then bend that back, and then I can yank on it that way and she'll be right in line. I only got to go out an inch, guys. Get out my torch. Sorry, I didn't show it. I actually vacuumed her out too. Well, now I'm invested. Let me go get some tools. Yeah, now I'm invested. Whatever. Okay. All right. Yep. Mm-hmm. Now let me. Okay. That's my big pry bar. These are for my trespassers, you know, thrill seekers. I hate to hurt them too bad, so I try to take it easy on them. Bet you're thinking, what are you doing standing underneath that bucket? Well, I don't know, honestly. Probably move it, make my life a whole lot easier. Oh, come on now. Here's my big El Kabong. Ah, damn it. There we go. I'm a good shot. There we go. Okay. No, that ain't far enough. I'm gonna have to open that up. Yeah, stinks. Stinks worse than it did when I got her. Oh yeah, there we go. Come on now. Come on now. Get her done. Yeah, yeah. Fall apart for all I care. Extra. Is El Kabong. Yeah. See, that's where this is where a porta-power would come in handy. You just throw it into this corner down there on that ridge and just. But I ain't got one, damn it. And that fucker back. Oh, yikes. See, I need to get a hold of this lip and it needs to pull out. I might have to heat this. I wonder if I can heat that up. Just the fact that I got it, you know, halfway level. It's just this now. I ain't worried about that shit, because honestly, I don't give a shit about this lip. This is, I mean, this is ruined anyway. really hate to do that. I'd like to bend that up with this. That's what I'd like to bend it up with. Let me move the tractor. Anyway, if I can get this to pull this way, I can straighten that out pretty damn good. But problem is getting in there, getting that up high enough where I can get that clamp on there. That's the problem. I don't have a smaller damn pry bar either. It'll make it a whole lot easier. Well, now wait just a damn minute. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and split that out right there. Then I can bend this down, because even if I have to cut this out, this bad spot, I can put metal in there. I mean, it's still good metal, and I've got little short metal that I can throw in there and just kind of tack weld it on. As long as I can get, I got to get a hold of this. If I can get in there far enough onto this right here, I can yank this out, because the rest of it's straight. It's just right here. See, from there to there is bent. I could cut that whole piece from there to there. Let me show you what it is. See, it's just this stuff. And this is where it's bent, from here to here. Yeah, that's got some structural stuff, but again, it's good metal. I can, you know, just pot metal, you know, or just weld that thing back together. But yeah, it's bent down so bad right there that I need to yank that out. But I think it's actually rusty enough that I can get it. This should bend right back out pretty easily, really. There. Now she's completely cut out all the way to the last of the bad spot. I can bend this down a hair. I may go a little bit further out here. Now I can get my damn pry bar, my big pry bar in there, and pry them apart a little, so I can get enough to get that clamp on this good metal all the way up into there. And then I'll just hook it to the tractor or something with a chain and go. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Look at that. It's gonna work. I wonder if... Oh, no way. Heck yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Yee-hoo. Gotta be real careful there. That's pretty rusty. I'm using its own bad bends to put it right. This, like I said, this wasn't something I was going to do today. I was just kind of fiddle farting around today. Wow, I might be able to do this all with this thing. Nope, I may have to go a little bit further. Yep, I gotta go a little bit further with the gun. Just a hair on each side. Then I'll have it. I know. Just remember, this car was probably headed to the junker and was gonna be stripped. I'm gonna put a windshield in this sumbitch this week. Come on now. Come on. A little more. Come on now. Just barely into the structure part of the side. And we got this. Boom. We got it. Yes. It's freaking awesome. I can't believe it, man. I really cannot believe it. Oh, look at that. It's coming right out of it. You have to go a little bit further yet. Nope. Right there. And in this little spot right here, there ain't really much I can do about these dents. So I don't want to get in there too far. No. Don't like the small bong. I just need to go get a vice grips. I didn't bring out my good camera. This is old school GoPro, you know. This will take some time to edit. This right here is where I'm gonna have to get the vice grips on. Well, my big vice grips done. I don't know where it went, but nothing like using an adjustable hammer to bend stuff. Still needs to come out. But we can do that now. We can do that now. Let me look at it a little better with better eyes here. Right here. This is where it needs to come out. Unbelievable. This whole side is coming out of here. Oh yeah. Yep. I just gotta straighten that. Now I gotta do this part right here. I may have to cut more of this bracelet. Matter of fact, I think I will, because that's what's holding this back. Actually, no. I just... Get in there. Adjustable wrench to the rescue. Right here. Because I can straighten the rest of this. I can definitely straighten that. And it comes up. I'm not gonna lie to you. What I got that's where's the hell with Charlie? Here it is. We just need, this needs to come out just a hair, so I'm gonna have to cut that out more. And I can re-weld it. Let's do it. Since the brace is still together right here, I'm not taking it apart. But this there we go. Let's see if I can get in there now. Oh yeah. Oh. Too much. Ow. Yes, sir. All I got to do is get this flattened out. That little bastard right there. Oh, yeah. Unbelievable. This I'd have to dent out from the inside, and I can still do that. But as far as a place to put this, I mean, I need to get that right here needs to do something. Oh, damn it, I just dumped mud in the car. That's still a little tall. Boom. This is still tall. Needs to go down. This should be good. Holy shit, it worked. No, it didn't. But it's right on the money. But this little section needs to come down. There ain't really much I can do about this ledge here. I just want the windshield to seal. And it's friggin' close. I'm gonna use this thing to flatten this. I didn't even think about that. I can clamp this sucker down super tight and it will actually flatten it out. This is a hell of a piece of steel here. Dual purpose. Heck yeah. I can tell already it did its job. Dudes, other than a couple of straightenings here, I do believe that's all we're gonna get. I mean, a guy could, I guess, take the rest of this metal out of here, this rust, and, you know, get in there and bend it back. But I'm thrilled with that, y'all. I'm gonna try to straighten some of these edges like this here. We can use this as a... Oh, broke my dash. Still need to go down. This is a low spot. This here is still bulged up just a hair. Now it might be enough to crack the damn windshield. I don't want to grind that down too far, because then you're taking metal away and there's already enough gone. I don't need any help. It looks a whole lot better than it was. This shit here, I don't know. I mean, I'm thinking I'll just clean it up best I can. Honestly, spray foam it, to be completely honest with you. Look at that. I just put a vinyl top right on that. Nobody ever know. Get all these clips out of here. We ain't gonna be putting no trim on her. Need to find me a Skylark dash. Anybody knows where one's at? I'd love to have one. I don't really give a damn what color it is. It's a damn shame. Everything underneath this dash is perfect, you know, under here, but this thing took all the sun and water. I'll be damned. Huh. It just straightened out. Guys, that's crazy. Man. I'm afraid if I keep going, I don't want to break any more of that off. That's just gonna have to do, y'all. Wow. That's just gonna have to do. And I think it'll be just fine. Like I said, I wasn't planning on doing this today. I was seriously just kind of faux farting around working on stuff. My dad's birthday, so I just don't want to do nothing, you know. We'll visit gravesite and tinker a little bit, and I was off because my truck's still down and it's almost Easter, but I just thought, you know what, try that with this tractor. It turned into a whole thing. It turned out to be a good day. Now I just need to get her cleaned up, and we'll put some shawl on it, and you know, I'm gonna extra group the stuff on it, that way it'll seal good, get all these holes. And I am, for now, I'm just gonna spray foam in them damn things. I ain't gonna worry about it. Probably cut this thing out. Wow. Thanks for watching, guys. That's, other than it dented back, I got it. It's a little grinding. She's ready for a windshield. I honestly cannot believe it. By the way, your dad's aging, your family's aging, your mom, dad, brothers, sisters. Make sure you spend as much time with them as you can. It's going on 3 years now. About 2 weeks ago, and his birthday was today, and I miss him more today than I did the week that he passed. So, public service announcement. Stay close to your family. Take care, everybody.